Once upon a time, in a vivid forest, there lived a small, curious squirrel named Sammy. One sunny morning, Sammy discovered a shiny, red apple lying on a glistening leaf. Never having seen such a tempting fruit, Sammy decided to share it with his forest friends. As he gathered everyone, they realized the apple wasn't just any ordinary apple, it was a magical one that brought happiness to everyone who took a bite. Together, they shared the apple, and joy spread throughout the forest, making it a day to remember.